If you want to write a review on Google using Windows PC or laptop, open any browser. If you have Chrome, open that. For now, I'm going to open Microsoft Edge. Open that and click this search bar and type Google search. Search. Scroll down and open this link. Yeah, now we switch it to Google. Now type the shop name or store, anything. For me, I just type Northedge Fix. Search. Yeah, this is. Now scroll down a bit. Here you can see write a review. Click that. And just enter your email and password if you didn't sign in. Next. Yeah, now I am signed in. Here give the star rating. I give 5 star. And now just type the review you want to add. Just like that. If you want to add photos and videos, click this and select the photos and videos. For me, I don't want that, so I just cut this and click post. Done. Now here you can see your review. And this is how you need to make a Google review. And if you want to know more videos about Google services, watch these videos.